Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to share a profile on BeReal. So let's just say you're scrolling through BeReal and you see a profile that's pretty fun and you want to share it. Let's just say this one. So you have two options to go by. First, as you can see, their name is at the top. On the right side, there's three dots. You can click those three dots and you have three options: view profile, share profile, or report. So we're gonna click on the share profile option, and that's one way to share their profile. Or you click on their name that's left of the three dots, and right from their name you can see this little emoji icon, and you can click it, and that also leads to you sharing their profile. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.